Nature. When we humans think about nature, we imagine a beautiful world in the wilderness, open skies with an abundance of stars, our kids playing happily in a world without smog, far away from the dangers of civilization, and cute animals living in perfect harmony with Mother Nature while she provides food for all of them. But in reality, nature can be different, totally different. Hi folks, well, warm welcome to yet another special edition of Amazing Facts, y'all. Here is your host, Mordecai Ffolkes. Before watching, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a new video. Also, click that bell and leave a like. Spread the word that there's a new source for fascinating facts and tons of fun stuff. And if you want to help me by donating, look in the description. But now, have fun! Sometimes even a catastrophe can look beautiful. These houses look like a Christmas village after an ice rain. Volcanic eruptions, on the other hand, may also look beautiful from afar, but I bet it would be difficult to convince the owner of that car from this. A good old storm is best enjoyed from the safety of the house, but make sure your trampoline is secured properly. These two here must have had a guardian angel. The roof, ripped off by the storm, missed them just by inches. Same goes for this granny here, when an avalanche came down from the roof. Hail can be really frightening, especially when you are out in the open. This poor driver had no chance in saving his car from the beats of huge ice pellets. And here, baseball-sized hail even penetrated the roof of this house. Let's hope all the kids that played here minutes ago made it to safety in time. The hail pellets even ricocheted and smashed the window. The sea is a nice place for holiday, but tidal waves may change the scenery within an instant. Even if the water is calm, a landslide may produce a huge wave out of nothing. This scene may look funny, but the poor angler is in serious danger. But don't worry, he managed to get out. These two Sheilas wanted to take a romantic picture of the sea, but get much more than they expected. Same goes for this dude, who lost his footage after a big wave. Sometimes the waves press the ice into the land, which is a frightening show, but more often the sea takes away either this porch from a house very close to the shore, a car parked too close to the beach, or even a whole part of the land, houses and all. Nature is merciless. Lightning is maybe nature's most spectacular weapon, especially when you are that close. This girl had to hurry to get out of the water. You'd think lightning would strike on the lake, but it hit the tree right next to the house and splits it right in half. And this girl here pretended to have lightning powers, but freaked out when it really worked. I hope you liked today's special edition, so please remember, guys and gals, comment, leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to donate some money, find my PayPal account down in the description. And that's the end for today. I am Mordecai Ffolkes. Have a nice day.